Okay, so the last part of this question, that is the 10th part, 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, we have to prove that is equal to tan square a, and 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole squared is equal to tan square a. So let us take the left hand side of the equation, 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. Well, with that, before doing this, we know the formulas. We can write the formulas here. You can write the formulas. 1 plus tan square a equals, and 1 plus cot square a equals, so 1 plus tan square a equals sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a equals cosec square a. So we can plug in 1 plus tan square a as sec square a. So simply taking the LHS, 1 plus tan square a is sec square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. But sec is the reciprocal of cos, right? So we can write, instead of sec square a, we can write 1 divided by cos square a whole divided by cosec square a is the reciprocal of sine, so 1 divided by sine square a. So this can be written as a by b divided by c by d is equal to a by b multiplied by d by c. So it'll be sine square a divided by cos square a, and that is equal to tan square a. So first part we have proved that is equal to tan square a. Now we need to prove the second part, and that is 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole squared. We need to prove that equal to tan square a. So we'll take 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole squared, and then we'll simplify. We'll take tan as sine by cos and cot as cos by sine, and then see what will happen. So let us take the second part by some other color. 1 minus tan is sine a by cos a whole divided by cot is cos a by sine a, and this whole thing is having a square. So when you will take the LCM of the numerator and the denominator, you will get cos a as the denominator, and then you will get cos a minus sine a, this whole thing divided by, here you'll get sine a, and then sine a minus cos a, and this whole is squared, right? So this is equal to, well, you're having here, see, cos a minus sine a and sine a minus cos a. If you'll take negative as common in any of the two, then they'll be cancelled out. So we can take the negative as common. We can write, or we can write it simply as, you know, a by b divided by c by d is actually equal to a by b multiplied by d by c. So we can write it as cos a minus sine a divided by cos a multiplied by sine a divided by sine a minus cos a, right? This is whole squared. So we can write it as cos a minus sine a divided by sine a minus cos a. You will take negative common here. You will take negative common here, either of the two. If you'll take negative common, so it'll become negative. You can take it will become sine a minus cos a, right? Divided by cos a multiplied by sine a divided by sine a minus cos a. This whole thing is squared. Sine a minus cos a will cancel out, so it'll become negative sine a by cos a whole squared. So negative sine a divided by cos a whole squared. So this is equal to, when you'll square any negative number, it'll become positive. Negative sine a whole squared is sine squared a divided by cos a whole squared is cos squared a this is equal to tan square A. So proved both the things equal to tan square A.